Big news coming out of Renown. Renown Health and Kaiser Permanente are partnering up to launch Kaiser Permanente Nevada. We're not talking about current hospitals and clinics, but instead health insurance coverage. Here's what it means for those of you who use Hometown Health.
For nearly 40 years, Hometown Health, the health insurance arm of Renown Health, has been Nevada's only locally owned not-for-profit healthcare network. But soon, pending regulatory approval, it could grow in a big way.
We are partnering our health plan, Hometown Health, with Kaiser Permanente.
Renown Health and Kaiser Permanente announced an agreement to jointly own a health insurance plan called Kaiser Permanente Nevada, which could begin open enrollment as early as next year.
Kaiser Permanente will be purchasing slightly more than 50% of Hometown Health and will become the majority owner, which allows them as the majority owner to bring all of the Kaiser technology, the apps, all of their buying power.
President and CEO of Renown Health, Dr. Brian Erling, says this collaboration will afford Nevadans more healthcare access and affordability, even with things like pharmaceuticals, an expensive part of running a health insurance company. The joint venture is also in response to big changes for insurers post-pandemic.
Coming out of the pandemic, the health plan had lost about half our membership, which was common around the country.
And with Nevada companies still offering remote work, the partnership will expand coverage with Kaiser's national reach.
Because they are a national health plan, they have the ability to connect members into care access points across the nation, which when we talk about employers who have workers out of area, that's a super important piece, or for any of us who are traveling.
Renown's hospitals and clinics will remain the same. Plus, Kaiser Permanente Nevada members will have access to even more, with plans to open 3 new clinics in the first 3 years.
Primary care clinics, they also will have some additional services in terms of pharmacy access, things like rotating specialists through those clinics, so it really can become kind of a one-stop shop.
Again, all this needs to go through the Department of Insurance first, but pending approval, open enrollment for 2027 could begin as early as next year.
It's a win-win-win for our community as well.
Now, while there may be some synergy and consolidation, leadership expects to add even more jobs. And again, there will be no immediate changes to Hometown Health and Senior Care Plus plans during the transition through 2026. Renown will remain an independent nonprofit health system, which will continue to accept all existing health plans.